Hello YouTube. Today I'd like to show you a Macintosh LC520 in very good condition. A little bit of yellowing over the years, but still very passable. French keyboard. This unit has an English operating system. Unfortunately, I'm missing the CD tray. Back then, these units came with a tray that you actually fed into it. I'm missing the caddy, unfortunately. Screen is still bright. Let's see if the floppy drive works. Yep, floppy drive works. Let's see how it checks. That works good. So I'll leave a eBay listing to this unit, and if you're interested, let me know, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.